This is Premier Water and Sewer showing a post-lateral repair inspection video at 11 Doris. Pushed out to the main connection from the 6-inch cleanout. There's two lines leaving the house here. Going from the cleanout that's on the straight shot back to the house. So there's the main 6-inch clay. There's some roots in this line. We'll pull back into our PVC repair in the 6-inch clay. And back to our repair. We're back at the clean out. Now we'll pause the video here. We'll push upstream through our Y connection and go from the house line back there. Here we're going to restart our recording now just so you can get an idea of what's going on. You see there's clean out going back to the house. There's the Y connection tied in. And it ties into that clay up there. That catches the floor drain, the laundry stack in the basement. And then getting pushed up here. There's where it goes back to 6-inch clay. Not going to be able to see much because this line is so dirty. Go from 6-inch clay. Eventually we transition over to cast iron at some point. This line's just full of debris. So we see some cast iron there. It's just so dirty, you can't tell what's going on with it. We'll conclude the video there.